I'm a desk volunteer at the Senior Center. I'm here, I'm a regular volunteer, so I'm here every Thursday afternoon from 12 to 3. And the other volunteer, you can be a sub. You can volunteer for various and sundry activities that we have. It's a lot of fun. You meet a lot of new people. Sometimes it's quiet, other times it's not. But it gives form and shape to my week, and I really enjoy it. It's a great place to volunteer. When people arrive at the open house, they receive this. It's called the passport. And you receive a stamp when you go to each one of the different centers. And then at the end, you fill in your name and your phone number, and there's going to be a prize. On top of that, we have a lovely tote bag full of goodies, of course.
Hi, my name's Elaine Chapman. I work here at the Monona Senior Center. You are here at the Senior Center table, where I am telling people about the programs and the information that we have here at the Senior Center. We are open Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4:30. You can get more information in our 20-page newsletter. We have social, recreational, brain enrichment information, all kinds of programs. We play games, we sell cards. Feel free to stop in and check us out.
Hi, my name is Marlis. I'm here with the Monona Senior Center. This is a sip and swipe program we have. Dan, you can make an appointment with him and he will help you with your iPad needs. There's another program that's called an Open Lab. He will Zoom with you and help you with your iPad, your PC, your smartphone, whatever help you need. And next we have a lending library where they will lend you an iPad if you would like.
Awesome, thank you.
This is the crafts section. We all make items, various items, and it's all for sale. Not just today, but every day of the year. You can come in and shop in our craft department. We have puzzles you can take home and do, books.
We play dominoes every Thursday, start at 12, and we go till we're finished, which is usually around 3. Or if people need to leave early or come late, that's all fine too. It's just that that's the period of time. We'd love to teach people how to play, which is what we're just about to do with these people here.
I'm with the Monona Friendly Coalition. We work to educate the community, businesses, organizations on Alzheimer's and dementia, and we provide training to these businesses and organizations on how they can manage dealing with people, bank tellers, servers at restaurants, people at the gas station even. They need to know that a person is not trying to be hard or not trying to be obnoxious, but that they need help. So we have tips on how you can talk to a person with dementia. We have a lot of resources that are available through the ADRC, and it's all to make Monona a place where people with dementia and their caregivers can really feel friendly and welcome.
My name is Judy Rump, and we're friends of the Monona Senior Center, and we definitely help sponsor all the things we can do for the Senior Center, which is a very private organization. So we're very thrilled to be a part of that and to be supportive. We have what we call the Friends of Monona Senior Center flashlights, and we're trying to be very helpful in that respect. We purchased these through a private organization who has been very helpful in our efforts too. We're very happy being a sponsor and helpful in any programs that are coming up. Bus trips if people need to be needing help with their, and we do support helping with people with programs.
Hi, I'm Katie Brightsman and I'm from Newbridge. We are a nonprofit social service agency, and I am here at the Monona Senior Center's Resource Fair and glad to be here. I wish that if you have any questions, you can always give Newbridge a call. We have lots of different programs. We have case management services, volunteer programs, we have meal sites, and all kinds of programming in the community.
My name is Elaine Jakey. I'm I come here once a week. I'm the accompanist for the Monona Senior Chorus that meets here. I'm also the choir director at Norway Grove Lutheran Church in the Forest. I started playing the harp in 1985, and the reason I did was because my pastor was sitting, we were having a meeting one day, and she said, you know, it would be very nice if we could have harp music on Christmas. Now, nobody in our church played the harp, but I had driven by Spruce Tree Music on Johnson Street, and in the window there were a whole bunch of harps. So I figured this can't be that bad. So I did go in, I purchased a harp, took it home, practiced about 2 weeks, and played very simple carols that Christmas Eve. So that's how I got started playing the harp.
Hello and welcome to the Health and Wellness booth at the Monona Senior Center. We have such lovely and fabulous wellness classes here at the Monona Senior Center. We have walking tours, bird nature adventures out at Elda Leopold. We have Zoom fitness classes 3 days a week, Tai Chi, chair yoga, and mindful movement. We have in-house Pilates and stretch and tone, and we have a video series that we do every Thursday morning at 8:45. So please come, give us a call, check out our newsletter for some health and wellness. Thank you.